Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy, and today I'm going to be doing a product review and Xbox game review of Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Let's hop right into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh god, oh my god.
Hey guys, before the video starts, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also check out my merch store and my Discord. Let's go. Hey guys, so my last video I did a review on Call of Duty Black Ops 4, which is the most recent Treyarch title, and in this video I'm going to be doing a review on Black Ops 3, which came out in, I believe, November of 2016. So yeah, this was Treyarch's, let me see, they had World at War, Black Ops 1, Black Ops 2, and this is the fourth installment to the Treyarch Call of Duty series, and for this one, this was the first Treyarch title to actually come out on Xbox One. I don't know if any of you know that. The actual first Call of Duty to ever be on Xbox One was Call of Duty Ghosts, and this came out on, and this was the first Treyarch title to come out on Xbox One. It's rated M. And as always, Treyarch always has three major components to their games, and for this one it has campaign. This is the last Treyarch game to have campaign. It has multiplayer as well as zombies. I'm going to touch on all three and then give you an overall score at the end. And this game also, I don't know if you can read that, but it has co-op, it has split screen, Connect voice, blah, 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 wireless microphone, and Xbox Live. Okay, so first thing I want to talk about, campaign. Played like one mission, hated it. Campaign I thought was garbage. Yeah, that about sums it up. Let's move on to the next thing. Multiplayer. Multiplayer was really fun. I think the whole boosting jetpack system was done much better than Advanced Warfare's jetpack system. Here, I think it made a little more sense in terms of the maps. I think the movement system blended more with the maps. I liked the wall running aspect of this. It was pretty cool. First Call of Duty with wall running. And also, I think this is the first... No, actually, it's not. Advanced Warfare was the first game where you could swim underwater. This is the second one. I thought this was the first one, but it's not. Multiplayer, I thought it had a wide range of weapons, which I think that's what made it great. However, the microtransaction system in this game, to me, ruined it. I mean, it was pay to win after a while. They said no microtransactions at the start, all cosmetics, but that changed. They started introducing new guns. The guns were really cool that they introduced. However, you had to buy supply drops to get them, and it just took forever to unlock them. Normally, I mean, they got better as they went on. They had new challenges and stuff where you could unlock the guns. I think it was called the triple play contract, where you get like a melee gun and like a ranged weapon. So multiplayer, solid. I'd say Black Ops 2 multiplayer was slightly better just because it's boost on the ground, but when it comes to graphics, I think these graphics are way better than Black Ops 2. You can look at videos, just because this is running on the Xbox One, graphics are insane. Honestly, I think these graphics are better than Black Ops 4, in my opinion. I know it's a little controversial, but that's what I think. Zombies, hands down, best part of this game. If you want to buy this game just for zombies, I think it's worth it. Zombies has made major strides on past Treyarch titles. I think this Zombies took it to the next level. Gobblegum system, not many people. It's kind of split. It's like 50 people, 50% like it, 50% don't. In my opinion, I did like the Gobblegum system. It kind of changed up the gameplay a little. Needed a little change. Black Ops 2 was good when it comes to zombies, but I think this is, in my opinion, better. Had Zombies Chronicles. That was like DLC 5, which got like all these remastered zombies maps. I think it was 7 maybe. So, like, at the end of this life cycle, or its life cycle, like, this game had so many zombies maps, and they were all so nice. I thought the storyline for zombies was the best. Shadows of Evil, great map. Der Eisendrache, best map, I think, on the game. Zetsubo no Shima, it was okay. It wasn't the worst. Had a fun Easter egg, but Gorod Krovi, solid map. And then Revelations, which was not the best ending because I heard it was rushed, but it was still a good map overall. I like how they blended every old map together into one. So I thought that was really solid. And then Zombies Chronicles was, I didn't play it, but I played basically every map that was on it, just the original version, not the remastered. So those maps are fun. I can tell you that. So yeah, that's going to be my review for this game. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Overall score, I'm going to give this game an 8.5 out of 10. This is a solid Call of Duty. I think this was this Treyarch's highest selling game? It might have been, I'm not sure. But Black Ops 3, solid game, guys. Go pick this up for Xbox One. It's probably really discounted these days. It's probably like 20 to 30 bucks. On sale. So yeah, go pick this up. If you guys like this video and want to see more, suggest what games you want me to review in the comment section down below. Go follow me on all my social media platforms. Those will be linked. Go join my Discord if you guys want to talk. Check out the merch store, blah, blah, blah. And yeah, like this video, subscribe, turn on notifications for that shout out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.